labor, labor, labor. Noun. Definition. Work, especially physical work. Example. The price of repairs includes labor, parts, and VAT. Noun. Definition. The Labour Party. Example. The labor leader. Noun. Definition. The process of childbirth from the start of uterine contractions to delivery. Example. A woman in labor. Verb. Definition. Work hard, make great effort. Example. They labored from dawn to dusk. Verb. Definition. Have difficulty in doing something despite working hard. Example. United labored against confident opponents. Verb. Definition. Of a woman in childbirth, be in labor. Example. She labored very well and comfortably because she was relaxed.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.